Hello everyone, welcome back to Gurgur Academy, where we speak about multimedia, learning the English language, and personal growth. Today we are diving into a crucial skill that impacts every area of your life, communication. Whether you're speaking to a room full of people or having one-on-one conversation, strong communication skills can make all the difference. So let's get started. It's said, no matter what job you have in life, your success will be determined 5% your academic credentials, 15% your professional experience, and 80% by your communication skills. Tony Robbins says the way we communicate with others and with ourselves ultimately determines the quality of our lives. Communication isn't just about talking, it's about connecting with others. Let's break it down into three key areas: verbal communication, nonverbal communication, and active listening. First, verbal communication. This includes what you say and how you say it. To improve verbal skills, consider these tips. First, be clear and concise. Avoid rambling. Get to the point in a straightforward manner. For example, instead of saying, I was thinking about maybe possibly doing this project, say, I am going to start this project next week. Use appropriate tone. Your tone should match the message. A friendly tone works best in casual settings, while a professional tone is key in formal situations. Third, expand your vocabulary. A rich vocabulary allows you to express yourself more precisely. However, avoid jargon unless you are sure your audience understands it. Next, let's talk about nonverbal communication. This includes body language, facial expression, and gestures. Nonverbal cues can convey messages even more powerfully than words. In order to improve this, follow these steps. First, maintain eye contact. It shows confidence and helps build trust. Just don't overdo it. Too much eye contact can be intimidating. Second, watch your posture. Stand or sit up straight to project confidence. Slouching can make you appear disinterested. Third, use gestures. Hand movements can emphasize points, but make sure they are natural and not distracting. Now let's focus on active listening. This is crucial for effective communication because it shows that you value the other person's perspective. In order to improve this part, consider these steps. 1. First, give full attention. Put away distractions like your phone and make eye contact. Show that you are engaged. Second, provide feedback. Nod and give small verbal acknowledgements like I see or that is interesting. Summarize what you have heard to confirm understanding. Third, ask questions. Clarify and delve deeper into what the other person is saying. Questions show that you are interested and help avoid misunderstanding. To sum up, mastering communication skills involves a blend of clear verbal expressions, effective nonverbal cues, and active listening. Practice these steps in your daily interactions and you will build stronger connections, reduce misunderstanding, and boost your confidence. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on personal development. Share your thoughts or ask questions in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and remember, the better you communicate, the better you connect. See you in the next video.